Really? Get out of the fucking car! Get out of the car! He's like, hey! Shots fired. 7 up. Hey! Officer down. Officer down. Where's your fucking hand?
Sending Bodycam down in 20 seconds.
Where's your fucking hand? Out of the fucking car! Get out of the car! He's like, hey! Shots fired. 7 up. Hey!
Adam 253, Charles 257.
Go ahead.
You got a county line?
10-9.
Can you go county-wide?
Yeah, stand by.
Control 235. You can cancel my record for the pickup truck. Charles, 46, we'll be going to County 1.
Can you see if you can see a gun in there? Can you see if there's a gun? We're on a check welfare 16th and Meridian. On a check welfare, guys passed out in the car.
Adam 270-262, trouble with a person 1616 East 25th Street at Douglas Park.
He's moving.
234 Tacoma.
Hey! Hey, nope! Put it in park! Put it in park!
270, you can just grab it all back.
Hey! Put the car in park, brother. Hey!
Thanks, sir.
Can you unlock the door for me, please? Just unlock the door, okay?
246.
Put the car in park.
This is Charles
Just unlock the
246.
door.
Can I get Adam
Hey!
253?
Are you okay?
Is he on duty?
I just been working all day. I'm tired. I got something wrong with my mouth, and I'm on my way to the
Is
hospital.
that for 253?
I just got.
Yeah, can you
I just
call
got
me
two
best friend
fools
tomorrow?
like a month ago, and it hasn't been right.
Give me
So,
one second.
Let's step out of the vehicle. Yeah, I need to get this guy out of the car real quick.
I can't get out right here.
I'll send it to you. Charles 246. That's for 235, not
Can I
253.
pull up right there?
No, we're gonna stay still, okay? Go ahead, step out. It's in park. Just come on back here.
I see all in the truck.
Well,
I'm talking about you.
so I was on my siren and my horn. We were knocking on the window, and you weren't moving. So step back here, and we'll explain everything.
Okay, like I don't. Like,
So come on back here.
why do I have to get out though?
Just come back here.
Dude, I don't. Y'all. It's too many of y'all. Y'all scaring me. Like
There's no
y'all
reason to be
just-
scared. Just come back here.
Okay, I'm comfortable right here in my car.
I want you to come back to the back of the car.
I don't want to.
Sir, come back
Yeah,
here.
just like I'm cool. I'm okay.
Grant, come over here.
I'm okay.
Just come here.
I'm okay.
No, you are not.
Yes,
Come
I
here.
am. I'm okay.
Come here.
Yeah.
No, no, no. Get out of the car.
Really?
Get out of the fucking car. Get out of the car. He's like, hey! Shots fired. 7 up. Hey! Officer down. Officer down.
Where's your fucking hand?
Sending body worn down in 20 seconds.
Where's your fucking hand?
Sending body worn down in 15 seconds.
Where's your hand?
Sending body worn 10 seconds. Body worn down canceled.
Man, I need on the radio. Where you at?
We're at the Walgreens and the drive-thru. Officer down. Police action shooting. He's still not complying. Step out!
Police action shooting at Walgreens, 1545 North.
I'm okay.
Come here.
Man.
No. Get out of the car. Get out of the fucking car. Get out of the car! He's like, hey! Shots fired. Stepping up. Hey! Officer down. Where's your fucking hand?
Sending body worn down in 20 seconds.
Where's your fucking hand?
Sending body worn down in 15 seconds.
Where's your hand?
Sending body worn 10 seconds.